Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a problem called k closest points to the origin, where we have given a points where each of these distances is calculated. We need to find the k minimum points that are near to the origin. Here -2 and 0, 1 have the least values, aka 1 comma 8. So to solve this, let us use the traditional method, taking a heap, and let us initialize a max heap to eliminate the maximum values, and let us go through the given array points and calculate the distance. Basically, if there is origin, then we don't need to add the formula to it. We just need to add the squares of the 2 points, and so now let us push these values to the max heap, and push both the distance, that is -3. Here we are using the max heap. So, and in place of that, let's add the points I, and if the length of the max heap is greater than k, we'll pop the value that is unnecessary for us in the max heap, that is exceeding the given limit, and let us return the point that are in the there. No, let's use point, and let us initialize a nested for loop for I comma point in max heap. So basically we have the values similar to this in the max heap. We have 8, and the value that is, and the points that are related to it. Here we have -2 comma 2. So that's how we store it. Let us check if it works, and it works. Let us submit this to check if it is passing all the cases that are needed. Yes, it passes with flying colors. You need to have some basics, and need to know about the heaps, how max heap operates, and this normal heap operates, mini heap. So that's how we solve it. And thank you for watching the video, and please like, share, and subscribe.